have a fantastic day.
40 years ago, Amy, you was born, as you know, on this day, and since then, you have been always kind and considerate and helpful to everybody, and always adventurous, and always overcoming with your tasks and things you've attempted, especially with this one. I hope it all goes well for you, and we will hope to see you soon. Have a good one, Amy. Thank you.
Wish we could be there with you. And we got New Zealand wine. There it is, look. Cheers, Aim.
Cheers, Amy.
Have a good one. Love you, Mum and Dad.
Love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Amy Bombini, stick it Amy by Baby Bombini.
Happy birthday to you.
Have a lush day. We love you lots and miss you lots.
Happy birthday.
Pembroke Harpers, see he. Pembroke Harpers, see he. Pembroke Harpers, Amy. Pembroke Harpers, see he. Happy 40th, Amy. Can't believe it's 40 years. I remember you doing cartwheels out Pritchard Street, showing your knickers. I think everyone used to see them on your long, lanky legs. Hope you're having a blast. You're living the dream. Okay. Oi, oi, oi.
Happy birthday.
Anyway,
Oh,
on. Cheers, New Zealand wine. Cheers. Enjoy.
Amy.
Happy birthday, Amy. Have a fabulous day. Love you loads from all of us.
Happy birthday, Amy. Ta-da.
Bye. Take care.
Well, Scott and Amy, you've finally done it. You're in the land of rugby, alias New Zealand. Anyway, it's us lot, we're all missing you, as you can see, but we've got a funky little disco kind of campfire going on. So all the usual crew and suspects here. Very good turnout this year, in fact. Here are the crew. Can I get a hello off the crew? What a welcome. Well, we would love to be over there, and I'm sure 1 month we'll all jump on that same plane and we'll bombard it out. Anyways, apparently there's a special birthday today. Amy is how old? It's not gentlemanlike for a man to say the age. How old is she?
40.
Well, fair play, happy birthday, and yes, good luck to you both. I wish you were here, obviously. And can we get a big cheers, everybody? Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! And Aria wants to say something. No, she wants a touch, man. Anyway, you're here with us in spirit. Have a day, son, and Pembroke Harpers. Give me a road rage. Road rage.
Well, I can't believe that cheeky little sod that used to call me names through the day is 40. Where have the years gone? Happy birthday, Aim.
Happy birthday, Aim. Give our love to the 2 kids as well, right?
Give her a cutch from us. I don't mind cutching Scott as well.
Okay.
Bye.
Right, you ready, Anne?
Ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Can't believe you're 40.
Right, you gonna sing happy birthday?
No.
We're just wishing it, Amy.
All right.
Don't spoil the video.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Amy. Have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Mammy. Miss you loads. Hope you have the most wonderful day. Lots of love. Cooper.
Happy birthday, Amy. Have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have a good one.
Hi, Amy. We're here today at the Miners, preparing for the presentation tomorrow, blowing up balloons. And I don't know why, but thoughts turned to you and your birthday. Happy birthday, Amy. Have a lovely day. Have a good time. We love you. We love you. Miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to you. In the place. Happy birthday, beautiful. Big photo. I hope you're having an amazing time over there, all of you. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I hope you get spoiled rotten, you beautiful human. Loads of love to you. Loads and loads of crutches and crutches and crutches. And have a fantastic day. You take care of yourself. Mwah.
Happy 40th birthday, Amy.
Have a great day. Not too much drinking now.
Pembroke hapus, Amy. Enjoy celebrating. We miss you.
Family happiness.
Best.
Yeah, you worked.
Happy birthday, Amy. Big 40, catching us up.
Have a wonderful day with your family, and we can't wait to see your photos and see what you've done on Facebook. It's lovely keeping in touch through all the things you've been putting on. Have a fabulous time, lots and lots of love.
That's it for me. Ta-da.
Bye. Happy birthday!
Pembroke Hapus. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. I can't believe you're 40. Have a great day celebrating. Hope to see you very, very soon. Lots of love. Lots of love from us three and Ruby.
And Daisy.
Hi Amy, happy 40th birthday, have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, love. Have a good one. Hope you're all settled. Love you lots.
Goodbye.
Happy 40th birthday to the best man that I've ever seen in my life. I really hope you have a lovely day and you enjoy your new life in New Zealand. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Hey, lovely. Happy birthday. I was going to do my hair and everything, but then I realised it's alright, Amy's seen you in much worse days than this. So, 40. How did that happen? That's not right, is it? So everything we've been through together, all the big things, all the little things, all the growing up, all the babies, weddings, all the growing up we've yet to do, because there's plenty more adventures we're going to have together. I'm thinking of you on your birthday, but then I think about you all the time. You're my best friend and my soul sister. I miss you and I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And know, wherever you are very, very loved. Big touch, babes. Love you lots.
Happy birthday, Amy. Hope you have a lovely day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day. Miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Aim. Some of the things that I'd like to bring up is the first time that myself and Kerry saw you. We were at Church Village Hospital. We heard that your mother had this lovely little baby. So we weren't allowed in to see you. So your mother hung you by the window, kind of like Michael Jackson. So I'll never forget the first time that we saw you. And on your first birthday, it was the first time I'd had a mini Coke. So that's quite a big memory for me there. But growing up, you were a massive part of our family life, and I'll always be grateful for that. So take care, enjoy your time, hope you get spoilt, and have a fab day. Miss you loads.
Happy 40th birthday, Amy. I hope you have a lovely day.
Happy 40th, Amy. Hope you have a great day. Say hello to Scott and the kids from me as well, okay? Take care.
Happy birthday, Ames. Hope you're having an amazing time out in New Zealand. Can't believe you're 40, you old cow. Have fun. Love you lots, the Max.
Happy 40th birthday!
Happy 40th birthday. Hope you have a
Happy
lovely
40th
day.
birthday.
Happy 40th birthday.
Say happy birthday! No? Enjoy your birthday. Love from us all.
Birthday, have a fab day. Miss you loads. I hope you're being spoilt. Love the in-laws. Bye.
Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
This is Roy. She says happy birthday, I know. Who's Roy? Royal Albert Hall, Daily Dar. She's going. Daily Darius Langmead.
Hello, Pembroke Hapus i ti. I hope you have a lovely day spending with your gorgeous family. I know we're in lockdown, or you will be in lockdown on your birthday. I'm sure you'll have a lovely time and make sure you make up for it afterwards. Plus, you've always got next year to have extra celebrations. Iachyd da, lots of love from Hailstones.